So when you look at these, we have this ratio. So back to ratios again. And remember, there's two ways to look at ratios, part to part and part to whole. Well, when you look at this, AB and BC don't form a whole anything, right? So you don't even have to worry about the part to whole aspect of it. So it's just part to part. So what this means is the ratio between these is either the conversion factor between the two is either 3 over 2 or 2 over 3. Those are your conversion factors. It depends. Are you looking for the larger or the smaller? So if we're given BC and we want to find AB, is AB going to be larger than that or smaller? It's larger. It's the 3 to the 2. So which of these factors will we use? We're going to use the 3/2. So if we take 24 times 3/2, that's going to give us the length of AB. So 2 goes into 24 12 times. 12 times 3 is 36. And so we get our length up here to be 36. And once we have that length, because these lines are parallel, we know that this is squared off here as well. We have this right triangle, and we have this rectangle. So if we look at that, we can find this portion is 36. And if we have this right triangle here, we know that the sides, opposite sides of any parallelogram are equal. So this length will be 24. And so if you look at this 24 and a 30, are there any common factors between those two sides? Let's test it and see. So we have 3 times, oops, we have 6 times 4. We have 6 times 5. So we have a blank 4, 5. So what do you know about this triangle? It's a common triple. It's a 3, 4, 5. So here's our common triple with a multiplier of 6. So this length is going to be 18. And so now you have one of two options. You can either find the area in terms of the trapezoid, or you can find the area in terms of this rectangle plus this triangle. So since it's a trapezoid, I'll go ahead and use that formula. 1/2 the sum of the bases. So 36 plus, and again, we can just combine these, 36 plus 18. So there's the sum of all my bases, all times the height of my trapezoid. Well, which is the height, 30 or 24? 24 is the height. And so if you calculate this, you'll get your overall area for that figure.